In this tutorial, we're going to look at how to update existing strategies in Nuventive Solutions. So the first thing you need to do is access Nuventive Solutions, and if you don't have a way to do that, here is an easy path to Nuventive Solutions. Select Faculty and Staff from the OCC homepage, and then under Employee Resources there is a link for Nuventive Solutions. Then select Nuventive Solutions Login. This will take you to Solutions. You may need to put in your usual username and password to access it the first time on a day, but generally once you've signed in it goes directly to Nuventive Solutions. Check to make sure that you're in the right unit. If you are responsible for multiple units, you may have to select the correct unit from the drop-down. Most of us have only one unit. Select the hamburger on the far left, and here you'll see the different processes that we do in Solutions listed. Go to Planning, 2228 Cycle, and from this you should see a list of all of your strategies that have already been entered. So you can see that these were entered previously, and what I want to do is, for the example, use one that I just entered, but we're going to pretend that this is from last year. So I'm going to update the equity-minded syllabus. So if you open that up, you'll see here's the strategy, and I can review, the department can review what the plan was and what we were going to do the different years. Now for existing strategies, you will have plans listed out here. So what you want to do to update the strategy though is leave this page alone. Go to Strategy Update and select the green circle. Here you will add your update. So select the year, which is 24-25. The status of the strategy: on schedule, behind, stopped, or completed. If it's behind schedule, put the main reason why. Put your plans, detail, and annual update. So here you have to consider what you did last year and then put a summary. So last year the department looked at the syllabus tool that's provided by the Center for Urban Education. So we're going to record that there. And then what do we plan to do this upcoming year? Well, since we were able to meet what the plan for last year, we're going to indicate what we're doing this coming up year, and that's to revise our syllabus and then share with the department and share what we came up with to see if we want to do what other people are doing. So anyway, this is all you need to do to update an existing strategy. Enter the year, the status, if behind, the reason why, what you did this year and what you plan to do next year, and then hit save and you're all done. If you need resources, hit close and enter in your ARR.